Here's a 2015 Honda Pilot. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this the perfect crossover SUV for the entire family. It comes with great features you'll love. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth hands-free link, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver points out, the Pilot might not be fun to drive in the thrilling sense, but knowing that you made a rational, intelligent choice is fun in its own right. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.